Once I've checked all of those, and I'm confident that this thing has all of the features that I need it to have, the last thing that we need to do now is we need to save it. So I'm going to press File Save first of all, and that will update my new version. You can tell that it's saved to the newest version because that little asterisk that was there next to the name disappears. And now what we need to do is to save a copy. Okay, now this copy is going to be the version that you're going to share with our technician so that he can laser cut out your design. And we're going to give it a very specific name. We're going to make it really easy to find the work later on. So the first thing we're going to call it is we're going to give it a name that relates to your tutor group. So my tutor group is called A-LMI. And then we're going to go underscore, and then I want your surname. So for me it's going to be Milburn. Your one will be different, or for almost everyone. And then underscore your first name. Okay, now if you want to give it an extra name afterwards, you know what it is, okay, DT Lamp or something like that, that's up to you. That's the format. Give it your tutor group, your surname, and then your first name. And then you're going to save it somewhere on your computer where you can upload it to Google Drive later, depending on the instructions of your teachers. So I'm going to press Save here. Now this is a really key part. When you save a file, it asks you for some options. The version of Illustrator we're using is version 17. It's the latest version. We're very, very up to date with our Illustrator. However, the computer that's attached to the laser cutter is a little bit older. And so in order for it to be able to read your file, you need to save your file as an older version. So we're going to click on that arrow next to it, and we're going to go down to Illustrator CS5. Okay, it's 2 generations ago. Okay, there's some warnings. It will say some things might get messed up. It's going to be fine. We're going to press OK, and then when we check that work later, it should be in an older file format that the laser cutter will understand.